at the Industrial Automation Expo in Mumbai, and I have with me Marvin Moser and Clemens Hengstler, who are the product managers at VEGA India. So let us deep dive into some of the product dynamics, some of the market dynamics, and understand from them what are their plans for VEGA in India. Marvin, if I may begin by asking you, about how VEGA is helping Indian manufacturers to improve their process reliability through your smart level and pressure measurement instruments.
Yeah, of course. So the level and pressure sensors from VEGA, they have Bluetooth functionality. So it is quite easy to use our app, the VEGA Tools app, to adjust all these sensors in a very quick and easy way, and that makes it very easy for our customers here also in India to adjust the sensor and bring them to the best reliability in their plants.
Any specific training is required, and how easy are these systems to be operated?
So the system is very easy, so it's self-understandable, I would say, but we also offer training for sure for our customers, and there they have the possibility to understand our devices on hands-on training, and then they can play with them and understand very deep how they are working.
I'm going to Clemens. If you may kindly take us through the role of radar sensors and digital instrumentation play in Industry 4.0 and predictive maintenance.
In general, we can say radar is a non-contact measurement principle, and therefore it is less maintenance than every other measuring principle you have which is in contact with the product. Also, it's a non-product which gets no oldering, so you buy it today and even in 20 years it has accuracy of ±1 millimeter. So in general, radar is maintenance free, but additional, for sure, we have also software algorithms inside which do kind of a self-check and a self-calibration all the time. So if the sensor sees a problem, he is then telling you on the PLC system, hey, there's a problem. But in general, it's maintenance free, which helps a lot of customer.
You've been in India from such a long time, and such a very innovation pioneered company when it comes to level and pressure measurement equipment. So do you see any kind of lag which the Indian manufacturers really need to get to that point of adopting this technology?
From our side, so if you talk about VEGA, I think we have no lag. Our instruments are the best of the class, especially if you talk on radar. So there we have the highest performance which you get on the market. Based on this is we have our own radar chip inside. And this is worldwide. VEGA has sold more than 1 million radar sensors, and we was able to develop our own radar chip, and this gives a unique performance of the system. And we have already now the chip in the second generation, which makes it even more better the measurement.
So which industries in India you think are driving the highest demand for advanced process instrumentation, and why do you think that demand is still there?
The main industries where we have harsh environments like oil and gas, chemical industry, but also pharmaceutical industry sometimes. And at VEGA we can offer all the things which are required in these industries. So it doesn't matter if it is an X approval, functional safety, or hygienic approvals, or special aluminium housing. We can offer everything for these kind of industries, even if we have very harsh and demanding requirements.
What kind of product life does your product have? If you have to talk about the VEGA products in instrumentation versus the next competitor, how does VEGA stand there in India?
Our devices are produced on very high quality standards. So as Clemens has also already mentioned, you buy a radar device and it can stand for more than 20 years in these applications. So sometimes when we do customer visits, also here in India what we did, we see devices from the last 2 or 3 generations before, because they still work very well. So the lifetime of our devices is, according to our high quality standards, really high.
You have more quality, which is taking care of the pricing factors in Indian market.
Yes, of course. We have also a local production here in India, where we also take care to fulfill our company goal, which is local to local. And we also try to buy all the different materials like stainless steel parts here in India, and that makes also totally sense for us.
What are the innovations which you are showcasing at the Automation Expo, and how these innovations are going to help your customers in India?
We We are showing here a lot of different innovations. We have our wireless radar sensor here, which is a battery-powered sensor. We show also our pressure and our switching devices. I would put the focus today on our 80 GHz radar, the VEGA 𝗍𝘂𝘁𝗁𝘂𝘁𝗍, which we show here. And we not only show it on the exhibition booth, we make live demonstrations, so Marvin and myself, and we show how some difficulties in the industry. We show it works with a nozzle, with a ball valve. We measure in a small vessel. We put some build-up live on it, and the people can see that it is still working. So we make proven here live on the exhibition that our sensor is working, and the best thing is it's very easy to use for the customer. And this is what they experience live, because we do a lot of things interactive, and that's a lot of fun for us.
How has been the response to your stall in this expo?
We are very happy here with our visitors. So there are a lot of people coming to our booth, and they ask interesting questions. They want to discuss maybe their special application with us, and our sales colleagues here from India, they can support them very well. So now, yeah, it's day 3, and yes, Clemens has already mentioned, today we are doing live demos. That is also very interesting for the customers. Yeah.